Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you some books which are must necessary for your bank exams preparation, which means you should have these books at any cost. Because if you learn from these books, not only your grammar, all those things will get improved, but you will understand how to appear the questions. You will get the mindset. You will get mostly the main thing strategy, like how to approach these questions. Okay, because see, in English what is the biggest hurdle? Grammar. Sir, grammar ही नहीं समझता मैं. So what to do? And if you go directly to the questions, then it becomes a big hurdle. Question समझा ही नहीं तो solve कैसे करोगे? So just note down and understand these books and what does it generally contain. Number one, this is something Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi. Okay, in this book you will get mostly theoretical portions, okay, regarding your syllabus, and this is one of the best books. It is recommended कि आप ये रखो अपने पास. See from the online options if you can get it also. Second book, Wren and Martin. See, this is Wren and Martin's book. It will give you thorough knowledge of the grammar, ग्रामेटिकल एस्पेक्ट्स. लेंदी बुक्स है, एक पॉइंट पे बोरिंग लगेगा, लेकिन लेट मी टेल यू बोरिंग इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को ना ज़्यादा मिले तो उनको बोर लगता है. बट सी, इफ़ योर प्रॉब्लम इज ग्रामर एंड इफ़ आई एम रिकमेंडिंग और इफ समवन इज टेलिंग यू, देन यू शुड हैव अ लुक एट इट एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. एंड इफ यू प्रिपेयर राइट नाउ, से 5-6 months डाउन द लाइन, obviously you'll be prepared. Guess what? Your reasoning is good, na? Then think, if your English also becomes good, then what? Double bonus. Then you can play defensive in maths maybe. So think about that. Wren and Martin, it will contain thorough knowledge of the grammatical aspects. Next, R.S. Agrawal, the book name is Objective General English book. See, in this book you will, the content which you will find generally is like idioms and phrases, vocabulary use, like one word substitution, theme detection and all, like grammatical aspects. And if you solve like this, it will enable you to understand the depth of the words of the grammar, ताकि जब आप actual questions face करो, so you should have a fair idea about it. Okay. Number 4, I want you to note down just to keep for backup, or if you're buying for the first time, that is Plint to Paramount, PLINT, Plint to Paramount. That is mainly based for the grammar. In that you will find verbs, tenses, noun and all those things. I know 1 or 2 books look like same, that's why मैंने एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में आपको बताया है. बट येस, आई वुड से ग्रामर की एक आध बुक, दूसरी बुक होनी चाहिए. You should have at least 1 or 2 book, and then another book for which you need questions, the actual syllabus kind of thing. Okay, for that is S.P. Bakshi, which I suggested, or like R.S. Agrawal. And the last, number 5 book, the book name is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Okay, see, this book is, to be very honest, in my words, a game changer. Okay. Because see, this book, how it will enable you, it will build your vocabulary. It is actually a vocabulary builder book, because इससे आपकी जो इंग्लिश पे पकड़ है ना, मजबूत होगी. You can grasp the concept very nicely through this book. Okay, and you can see this book on different portals, different websites, from yes money point of view and delivery and everything, and see if you can get it, or if you have it, or any kind of sources online offline, if you can manage to get right now. Okay, and those who have this book already, and आप लोग बीच बीच में पढ़ के छोड़ रहे हो, then you are making a mistake, my dear friend. और अगर इंग्लिश अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो बड़ी मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. इसको पढ़ो, because if you don't read these books you will have big problems. ठीक है, ऑब्वियसली प्रॉब्लम किनको होता है? जिनको वो सब्जेक्ट वीकनेस आता है. ठीक है, तो ये बुक्स को पढ़ो, अच्छे से इसका रिसर्च करो, लेटेस्ट एडिशंस देखो, इफ एनीथिंग इज अपडेटेड ऑल्सो, एंड देन टेक डिसीजन. नाउ बिफोर आई लीव, सर कैन आई ऑर्डर ऑल द 5 बुक्स राइट नाउ? नो, वेट. एकदम 5 ऑर्डर मत करना, पढ़ोगे तो 1 या 2 ही ना एट द मोस्ट. ग्रामर के ऑर्डर करो से, अगर एकदम बेसिक है तो ब्रायन मार्टिन या फिर नॉर्मन लुइस की भी बुक अच्छी है. देन यू कैन कीप एस पी बख्शी, मे बी दैट वुड बी कॉमन if I compare with rest of the 4. SP Bakshi रखो, and then you can buy the Brennan Martin plus this thing Norman Lewis. Okay, Norman Lewis से vocabulary आपकी बहुत अच्छी होगी. It will really enable you. So buy these books, keep it for your reference, and when you will come to the questions after reading this book or whenever you're reading it, your performance will improve even by 1 mark, but it will start to improve because why? You will understand the concepts of the English. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना रीजनिंग का कंसेप्ट, मैथ्स कंसेप्ट, सिमिलरली इंग्लिश के भी कंसेप्ट होते हैं. एक वर्ड में उसको हम लोग कहते हैं, इससे समझ में नहीं आता, वो होता है ग्रामेटिकल कंसेप्ट्स. लेकिन बॉस, व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ टेंस, what is the concept of word, what is the concept of conjunction, adverb, adjective, clauses? When you will learn these, you will slowly improve. See, English में syllabus is just a formality. If your grammar is good, nobody can stop you, seriously. So prepare accordingly, and I'm sure your performance will improve. Thanks for watching. Thank you.